Aliya Esenali kızı. I study at school number 48, named after our school. In my opinion, the most dominating profession is the internet marketing. I will explain now. What is internet marketing? Internet marketing is trading products or services and delivering value to people across the world with the help of internet. Importance of internet marketing. Global reach. According to statistics, 4.3 billion people use internet, which is 56% of the world population. Accuracy. Aside from targeting per location, you can tailor your marketing efforts very specifically based on users' gender, age, habits, and behavior. Cost effectiveness. Internet marketing is cheaper compared to traditional marketing, since it doesn't require any physical resources for its production. Types of internet marketing with examples: email marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, chatbot marketing, influence marketing. Internet marketing hacks and best practices. Create a user-friendly website, start with one channel, create a consistent buyer journey, gradually implement more channels, use automation whenever necessary. What should pupils of higher educational schools do to be internet marketing? He must be interested in marketing, he must be computer literate, he must be interested in everything new, he must have an ability to write competently and interestingly. Marketing jobs in high demand. More than ever, according to the statistics, the demand for marketing is growing as fast as average for all occupations. Thank you for your attention.